me. Oh, feels like a good one. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Before we get started, I just want to say sorry I haven't been posting in a couple weeks. It's been really hard. The bite's been tough and I've been busy with school and all that. Hope you guys understand, but I'm definitely going to try to start making more videos for you guys. But anyway, today we are heading out with our friends. I think we're going to like what, Lake Murray? Yeah. Somewhere in the Lake Murray area, and we're going to go striper fishing. I personally have never caught a striper, so I'm really looking forward to this. Hopefully we can get on some big ones. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching. Alright guys, we have made it here to the river. I'm really excited. Got my friend Noah back there. And yeah, we're about to head out. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to stay tuned. Oh, I have a fish. The heck? Oh, he came off. Are you kidding me? I literally just had a fish on.
Probably a striper.
I didn't even think I had anything on. And then I felt it pull back. This is a good one. It's a striper, I think. Oh, that's a bass? Dude, that's a big bass. Holy cow.
That's a large one. Yeah.
Dude.
Well, make sure you net them head first.
I knew that was going to be a fish on that cast. Oh yeah. Nice one. Yes. There we go. Nice fat fish too. Spinner baits.
You got your scale?
Yeah. There we go.
Ooh, that is a good one.
Oh yeah, it's solid 4 all day.
Very nice. Let's weigh him.
Nice, first fish of the day. Sweet, let's get a release on him. Oh, he's off. Nice.
There is a $500 Okay. Awesome. Thanks, Kelly. Okay.
Oh, that one. Yep. Something's got it. That's a fish too. There you go.
Go ahead. I got dry.
Go ahead, dude. Oh yeah, Dad. I saw your.
There was a bunch of topwaters.
Yeah, I knew one of those rods was gonna go off. Is it a striper? Oh, it's a striper. Nice. Nice.
First of the day. Maybe they're just down this way. Yeah. No, can you get the grippers out, bud? They get unstuck pretty easy.
Nice fish. First striper.
There's pliers right here by you too if you want them.
Yeah.
There's a little clip.
Nice, Dad.
There we go. Nice work.
Yeah. First striper. Good job, Dad.
First striper I've ever caught.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
There you go. Bye,
See
buddy.
you, buddy.
Sweet. 1 bass, 1 striper. Oh yeah.
When we came in the spring, we would just go out and I would tie off so many.
Do I think I have a fish. Yeah, I do. Tiny, tiny bass. They all count.
He might be 12 inches. We gotta see if he measures.
Dude, he is a fat bass. Yeah, I am recording. This thing could have swallowed. I mean, my other bass could have swallowed this guy. Little guy. Make him look massive. Alright, let's get a release on him. Hi, buddy. Well, sorry guys, not recording, but I hooked a fish. I think it's a bass. Oh man, it's a good one. Oh gosh, that's a good one. It's a really good one. It's 2. But flip him up.
There's a net right there.
I got him. Yes, sir. Let's go. It's a 2. It's got a small mouth.
Not real fat though.
Nah.
I'm a good largie though.
Here we go, guys. Wasn't filming when I hooked him, but there we go. Look how small his mouth is.
Yeah, he's girthy for his mouth.
Yeah. That was awesome. Right when you said there's gonna be one in that cut, bang.
Yeah, that was a good call.
That's awesome. Let's get a release on this guy.
Might not be alone though.
Oh, this water's cold. There he goes. Yes.
That would be awesome.
That's what Micah did at Hartwell with the stripe bass. There's another one.
You got it on?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, dude. Nice. Small guy.
Little guy. Yeah. That's like fish number.
We're not worried about 12 inches today.
Nope. Just half pounders and 4 pounders.
Right. There's all the pounding.
I know, right? Hey, I mean, guys, fish number 5, 6, 5 or 6, little guy. So yeah. Oh yeah. You got one? There you go. Nice, dude. Noah's first fish of the day. Is it a good one?
I think it's huge.
Oh, that's a decent one. You want me to grab him? Okay, you got him. Nice. High 5, dude. Let's go.
That might be a pound, or yeah, almost a pounder.
Oh, that's a pound. That's definitely a pound, yeah.
Thick. Definitely different shape fish.
Nice.
Healthy fish. Get you one more. We're about to go.
Get them while they're hot.
Fire sale.
There's one for me. Oh, feels like a good one. Oh, never mind. Well, he's not bad. He's probably a 2. Another 2. Dude, this is so fun. Get in here.
Nice. There you go.
Yes.
Sit. Got it.
Man, why are we not in a tournament right now?
You got about a 11-pound sack there, maybe.
Yeah.
12. 7, 8, 11.
Here we go, guys. That's 1.5, probably 1.5. It's probably like the 7th fish of the day, something like that. And he's off. How is my trailer still good? There you go. Dad's hooked up again. This is non-stop. That might be another crappie. Oh no, it's a bass. Nice. Got him on the rattle trap. Here he goes. Dude, are you freaking kidding me? Last cast. He goes last cast and then he gets a fish.
Oh, nice, dude.
Dude,
Good one?
I think it's a good one too.
Feels good.
Here, you want to come down there? Yeah, he's decent. He's probably a 1.5, 2. Oh, he's 2. Oh shoot. Nice.
Dude, that's a good one.
Bro.
2 plus. 2.
Oops. Here, show the camera. That thing's awesome.
Literally with
Nice,
the
dude.
motor up.
With the trolling motor up, last cast, he goes, you know what? I'm gonna catch a fish last cast, and he does.
Nice work.
Way to call your shot, buddy.
Way to end it, too.